In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a GIF inside a shape, wrap it in a frame, add supporting text, and preview the animation so you can see it in action. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, open the file or page where you want to work. If you're following along with a new design, make sure you have a shape ready on the canvas. This can be a rectangle, a circle, or any custom shape you've drawn. The GIF is going to live inside this shape as its fill. With the shape selected, look to the right-hand sidebar in the design panel and find the fill section. Click on fill, then switch the fill type to image. You'll be prompted to locate a file on your computer. Navigate to your GIF, select it, and confirm. The GIF will now be applied inside the shape. If the image doesn't fit the way you expect, use the fill settings to adjust it. You can change how it scales, choose fit or fill, and even reposition it with the crop controls. Keep in mind that in the editor view, a GIF may appear static. Don't worry, that's normal in Figma. You'll see it animate when you preview. Next, create a frame around your content. Frames in Figma act like organized containers, making it easier to manage layout and prepare for presentation. You can draw a frame around the shape or turn an existing selection into a frame. Size it to match your intended design or device preset so everything has a clear boundary. Now add some text. This could be a label, a heading, or a short description that explains your GIF. Use the text tool to type, then style it with your preferred font, size, color, and alignment. Position the text inside your frame so it complements the GIF without covering important parts of the animation. When you're ready to see the GIF playing, click Preview, sometimes labeled Present, at the top right. This opens the prototype view and your GIF should animate automatically. If it doesn't, double-check that the file you added is a GIF and that it's applied as an image fill to the shape. For smoother performance, consider using reasonably sized GIFs so the preview loads quickly. That's it. You've opened Figma, placed a GIF inside a shape using the Fill Image option, created a frame, added text, and previewed the result. Save your work and you're good to go.